Good morning students, welcome back to this chemistry class. Today also we have to continue this solid state lesson of the last concept, okay, and move on to this, the concept of this BCC, that is body center cubic arrangement. Already I explained about that last class, that is SC, that is cubic unit cell, how to calculate that the percentage of efficiency. So here also we have to calculate the efficiency of BCC, that is body center cubic arrangement. From this the calculation I am going to explain through these diagrams. You have to know that the diagrams having the length is the same thing, the length is value is A, and then we have to go for this, the angle of ABC. First of all we have to go for the angle ABC. So obviously from the Pythagoras theorem, you know very well about the Pythagoras theorem's the formula, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Got it? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In this AB square value, you know very well about that, the value is A, and then BC value also A. So AB square means A square plus BC square means A square. So totally we have to get it that 2A square. Okay. So obviously we have to cancel the squares into the square root. So root 2 is remaining is there, and A have to out of the root. So root 2A, that is the value of AC. Or you got it from this diagram? And move on to this another triangle, that is ACG. Here the G. So ACG. In this diagrams, from this, in this diagrams we have to get it AG square is equal to AC square plus CG square. Okay, AC square plus CG square. Got it? So again we have to find out the AG value from this formula, root of the AC square plus CG square. AC square value already we have root 2A. So we have to substitute to the value, and then CG square. CG means the length is A. So I am going to write down A square from the formula. So you have to simplify this formula. 2A square root means 2 into 2, sorry, root on 2, that is cancelled, we have to get it only 2, and A square, obviously here also 1A square. So totally 2A square plus 1A square, 3A square, and this we have to cancel the square for A. So root 3 only remaining is there. So A out of the root, so root 3A. So finally you get AG value is root 3A and AC value is root 2A. Got it? Okay, I am going to this, the value of, that is volume of the spheres. The spheres, volume of the spheres already you know 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. From this equation we need the radius. So I am going to find out the radius from this value. How to calculate? You just watch out. Root 3A is equal to 4r. 4r, how to get the 4r? From the diagrams. You know very well about that. In this value, half of the, 1 by 4th of the radius. 2 radius it's called 1A. Already I learned, I explained about that previous class. For that A means 2R. So obviously 2R plus 2R totally 4R. So you have to get it, root 3 value is 4R, and R value you want to get it, you just rearrange the formula, root 3A and by 4. This is the value of radius. So I am going to implement to this formula of the radius value. So 4 by 3 into pi into root 3 by 4 into A the whole cube. In this value is R. Okay, and then we have to substitute of the formula, and you have to verify and simplify this. Finally you can get that pi root 3 into A cube by 16. This is a simple way, you know very well about the mathematical terms. You can get it the final value, that is pi root 3 into A cube by 16. So this is the value of for that What is that? The radius. What is that radius? The spheres of the BCC, body center cubic arrangement. And then go for the continue these derivations. We have to multiple for BCC. How many atoms of the BCC? Yes, 2 atoms. So 2 into root 3 pi a cube by 16. 2 for BCC. Okay. So we have to cancel this. You can get that 8. So root 3 pi a cube by 8. Are you clear? Then go for packing fraction. Packing fraction. Packing fraction, we have to go for the implement the formula. The previous formula already I explained. In this value by volume of the spheres. Root 3 pi a cube by 8 whole by a cube. This is the packing fractions. Obviously we have to cancel it, the a cube and a cube. Into 100, you have to mind it the 100, don't forget to write down that 100. So totally we have to get it root 3 pi 8 into 100. Are you clear the steps? From the to triangle and have to find out the radius. To the radius value you have to substitute for that formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. You have to get it the formula of the, from this formula you have to get the value pi root 3 into a cube by 16. Again I am going to multiple with the BCC, that is body center, so that we can get root 3 pi a cube by 8. So finally the steps is packing fraction. You have to divide it by the volumes into 100, then only we can get that percentage of packing efficiency of BCC. Okay, and then I am going to cancel it, 12.5 you have to get it. So finally I am going to rub it the diagrams. Root 3 pi into 12.5. So remaining the values is only 3 terms, root 3 pi into 12.5. Okay. So root 3 value is, what is that? 1.732. Pi value I am going to write down the decimal terms of pi value, that is 3.14, and then remaining 12.5. So this is the final answer. So you have to get it. How many percentage is there? 68% for BCC. Okay. For SC, that is simple cubic, 52.31%. For BCC 68%. How to get? I am already told, and again I told you, the written practice is a very good practice for learning. Then only you can practice well for the calculations. Some complication is there, but it will be coming to this clarification after the written practice only. சரியா? So written practice இல்லாம உங்களுக்கு வராது. So written practice நீங்க கண்டிப்பா பண்ணணும். So that is the final percentage of the BCC. Likewise we have to find out the FCC. Same way we have to find out the FCC for that further classes. Okay. And then the hexagonal and the FCC arrangement. Hexagonal also is comparing to this FCC. Why? Because the formation is so many difference of formation is there. So that I am going to explain about the hexagonal and FCC arrangement. For the formation of the first layers and formation of the second layers and formation of the third layers. What is that? The formation, I am going to explain you about this, the 3 terms. That is the formation of the first layer. You have to arrange that. I am showing the diagrams, then only you can clear it. For that first layer, students, you have to notice that formation of the first layer, it's likewise we have to arrange the spheres. Are you got it that? And then formation of the second layer, you have to notice that back side of the spheres is in the green color. What is the difference between the first layer and second layer? The difference is you can see this in between gap, but you cannot see the between gap. In the second layers, it's formed in this, it's occupied in this between gap also, that is the second layer. I am going to explain again. The first layer means you have to orderly arrange it in the space, the hollow space. But you can see this, the center of the spheres. But we cannot see the center of spheres because of we have to arrange the second layer. Second layer you arrange பண்றப்ப it will be filled the gaps because of the arrange in the back side of the second layer. Likewise we have to arrange it. That is the formation of second layer and formation of single layer. That is the big difference. Okay, and then go for the third layer. You have to clearly see this diagram for the second layer. Got it? Blue color and pink color. Okay, and then go for the formation of the third layer. Third layer arrangement, it's two types. It's mainly, that is the very important question. This question also will come into this your examination. So you have to read carefully. That is HCP and CCP. What is HCP? HCP means hexagonal closed packing, and then CCP cubic closed packing. So this is the two main thing for third layer. You have to find out that how to arrange that HCP and CCP. HCP structure is arranged likewise the 6, that is hexagonal and trigonal and hexagonal. You have to find out that arrangement for these two types of, that is A and B. You have to consider as a B. So that is you have to arrange it. That is called HCP, hexagonal closed packing. And otherwise we have to arrange that CCP. CCP means we have to arrange the 3 layers, it's into the direction change. Notice that the direction of the 3 layers we have to consider as A, B, C. So ABC, 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 likewise that is CCP. Okay, here only AB types is arrangement for the hexagonal. This is ABC type want to arrange the CCP structure. So these and all for the arrangement of the crystalline structure of the spheres. So I hope you understand how to arrangement the crystals of this chapter. I am going to explain about it, the last chances for the FCC. What is that FCC? Face center cubic arrangement of the packing efficiency. Okay. Now we have to go for this FCC, that is face center cubic unit cell. How to find out this packaging efficiency? Okay, that is FCC from this triangle, that is ABC. AC square from the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Again we have to find out the AC from this formula. AB square, that is A square, BC square, that is A square. So totally we can get root 2 A square. So obviously we can get root 2 A. So we have to find out that the radius of this formula and AC, the total number of the radius is 4. Total the 4R. So obviously we can get that the radius value 4R is equal to A root 2. That is here for AC value. So AC value is equal to the 4 times of radius. So obviously we can get that radius value A root 2 by 4. So this is the radius value. Okay, we have to substitute of the radius value from this formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is volume of the sphere's formula. So A root 2 by 4 value of the r, the whole cube, and 4 by 3 pi A cube root 2 into root 2 into root 2, the 3 times root 2 is there, no? 3 times root 2, we can get the 2 root 2 for 1 2 and root 2 remaining is there. That is the value. So 2 root 2 into A cube by 4. 4 means 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so you have to cancel it, so 4. So I am here, I am just wind up this cancelling in this from formula. Cancel for the 4, totally 4 into 4, 16. Okay, that is your wish. You have to know about that your own way. You can get that values. I am going to cancel here, but you can going to cancel for here. That is your wish. You have to know about the how to simplify this formula. Your mathematical terms you can do your own way. So finally root 2 pi A cube by 6, you can get it the values, and by 3, that is by 3 means how can you get the by 3? That is a formula. If you by this A cube, you can multiple with 4, that is FCC. The total number of atoms for FCC 4, for BCC 2, for SC 1. So you can get that value. Again you have to multiple with 4. Finally you can get that root 2 pi A cube by 6. So the final formula by A cube into 100. That is the packing fraction. What is that? Packing fraction. Packing fractions mean you have to divide it into volume into 100, then only you can get the percentage. If you want to find out the percentage, you have to divide it by the A cube into 100, otherwise you cannot get that value. Okay, and root 2 pi A cube obviously cancelled, so remaining value is root 2 pi by 6 into 100. Root 2 value is 1.414, pi value is 3.14 and by 6 into 100. This is the final stage. You have to simplify these calculations. You can get how many percentage is there? 74% for FCC, that is phase centered cubic unit cell. The packing efficiency is 74%. Okay, and move on to this next concept, that is radius of the ratio. How to find out the radius of the ratio in this spheres? That is the formula for Rc plus by Ra. C is the cations and A is the anions. Cations means the loss of electron, that is positive, and the gain of electron, that is negative. You know very well about the cation anions categories. I already explained about the previous class also. So the loss of electron, obviously it will change in the positive, and the gain of electrons, it will be changed into the negative charge. Okay, this is the formula for find out the radius of the ratio. And go for that, the last concept of this solid state lesson, that is defects. The imperfection in solid states. In the solid state, having these so many defects is there, for that improper arrangement or this loss of atoms, ions. In this, due to this defect is happening, for this happening of the defects, it's classified into these 4 types, that is points defects and line defects and interstitial defects and volume defects. So here the 4 types of defects is there. So that is called drawbacks. In the drawbacks, we have to explain about this, the point defects. In this chapter have to explain about point defects. In this point defects, in classified into this how many types? That is the 3 types: stoichiometric defects and non-stoichiometric defects and impurity defects. Stoichiometric is a word you have to hear in the 11th standard, that is a stoichiometric. So in this defects into classified into the 2 types, that is Schottky and Frenkel. And go for the non-stoichio. In non-stoichio also have to split into the 2 defects, that is metal excess and metal deficiency defects. So the third one is impurity defects. Okay, I am going to explain one by one from this book. The Schottky defects. Schottky defects, it's positive ions and negative ions. Positive ions, negative ions, for the I am considered as a NaCl in this crystal. Na means positive and Cl minus. NaCl crystal you have to consider. Na is the positive ion and Cl is the negative ions. In these 2 types of ions, in the arrangement it's equal type of the crystalline shape. In this shape, having that the shape of the size is little bit similar, is same size of this, where is it? Schottky. In this Schottky defects, that is a stoichiometric, Na plus and Cl. In this Na plus and Cl, you have to find out in this Schottky defects the same size, but it will be what is the defects? In these defects, the anions, sorry, that is the cations and the anions, it's missing some places. In missing some places means that is called defects. Okay, but if the missing is the cations or either the anions, that is the same number of missing. So equal number of missing ions is there, that is called Schottky defects. Okay, are you got it the points? And then go for Frenkel. Frenkel, the example for the AgBr. AgBr means what is that? Silver bromide. Silver means Ag, Argentine Argentine, the symbol of the Ag, and Br, bromide. So AgBr for that. Example for AgBr. Obviously Ag is the plus and Br is the bromide, the negative. So in these atoms the size is quite different comparing to the Schottky. Schottky the small little bit changes only the similar size, but here the Frankel defects having the different types of ions is there. The positive or negative ions is the size is some difference. Okay, and this the missing ions also the different types of the number of atoms is missing is there. So in this type of defects it's called, what is that? Frankel defects. Okay, so in stoichiometric defects is two types, Schottky and what is that? Frankel. Schottky size is same and the missing ions also the same number of ions. In Frankel the right opposite, the size is difference also, the missing of the ions is also the different numbers. And then go for the non-stoichiometric. Non-stoichiometric, the metal excess and what is that? Metal deficiency. From this word you can guess it. Metal excess na metal excess or metals வந்து add ஆயிருக்கலாம். Metal deficiency means metal உடைய அந்த number of atoms வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு கம்மியா இருக்கலாம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஒரு thought வருவீங்க. That is right. That is metal excess. In this metal excess also I am going to consider as the example for sodium chloride. Sodium chloride ions, in this ion have to the more number of what is that? Cations is there. More number of cations comparing to the anions. Anions oda compare பண்றப்ப cations உடைய ions வந்துட்டு அந்த number of ions வந்து கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா இருக்கும். So in this type of deficiency of the metals, in the metals of NaC, and go for the defects of the deficiency. Deficiency na கம்மியாகிறது, அதே excess na அதிகமாகிறது. That is the different, you know. So the metal deficiency, the right opposite. The cations, the number of cations is less than comparing to these anions. So you have to find out the difference between that metal excess and the metal deficiency defects. And then go for the impurity defects. Impurity defects, impurity means the non-metallic impurities, it's combined with the metals, so it's disturbing for the others. What you disturbing for others means we have to find out this example for Fe. Fe means what? Fe means iron. Okay, iron deficiency is there for impurity. I am going to explain from this simple things. Impurities, for that any one metals having that separate, that is extractions. Extractions எதுக்காக பண்ணனும்? Impurities இருக்கும். We want to separate impurities for the pure metals. So we have to do something for that. They same thing for the impurity defects. In the impurity defects ionization happening is there. So in the ionization energy வந்துட்டு இந்த impurities defects வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்னா டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணும். அயனைசேஷன் நடக்காம அது வந்து டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ற மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு அந்த impurities வந்து in between gapல வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டே ஆயிருக்கும். So in this type of defects it's called impurity defects. Impurity defects also have to explain about the cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride insists the silver chloride. Silver chloride cadmium chloride insists the silver chloride means அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய cadmium chlorides இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த cadmium ions வந்துட்டு அயனைசேஷன் ஆகாமல் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும். In this type of defects என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா you have to category for the impurity defects category நீங்கள் கொண்டு வரலாம். So in this categories for the defects for the solid state, the structures. Okay, so dear students, we have to complete this solid lesson here. We have to throw out for that the revise of the lesson from the beginning. So solid state, how many solid state? That is a two types, crystallines and amorphous solids. And then we have to find out that unit cell, lattice, and the arrangement of this packing of these crystals, and what is the defects. So many things we have to learn about from this solid state lesson. I hope you understand, but in before that we have to written practice. Okay, so students, you have to written practice, that is must. Okay, and then we will send for that notes before the videos, and after the videos we have to send it the homeworks also. You have to do well and submit to the the homeworks in the evening 5 o'clock. Okay, thank you.